There's a flounder so flat with a body like sand where it likes to chat. It blends right in with the colors so neat, hiding from view where the sea and sand meet. Hide, the flounder stays in the sand where it quietly lays. Hide, come and see the clever flounder, wild and free. With eyes on top, it watches the sea in the ocean's depths where it's meant to be. The flounder glides with a gentle sway, moving so smooth in a secret way. Hide, the flounder stays in the sand where it quietly lays. Hide, come and see the clever flounder, wild and free. Clever flounder, wild and free. With eyes on top, it watches the sea in the ocean's depths where it's meant to be. The flounder glides with a gentle sway, moving so smooth in a secret way. Hide, the flounder stays in the sand where it quietly lays. Hide, come and see the clever flounder, wild and free. Wild and free.
Did you like our fun doodles? Subscribe and hit the bell for more exciting videos. Join our doodle adventure by subscribing to our channel.